Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name and what tribe do you represent?
I'm Jasmine and I represent Delta Igbo. Agbor.
Now don't start to.
I believe it. I know. I'm Delta Igbo. Agbor precisely.
Delta Igbo no day.
Okay, I don't know. I don't follow you again, but I'm Agbor.
Face them. My people, Delta Igbo day.
I don't know. But I don't say I'm from Delta.
Yeah,
I don't know. I don't feel God argue with you. I don't know. But all I know is that
you are Delta Igbo.
Yeah, and Agbor precisely. I'm from Agbor. Yeah.
But do you know that Agbor people are not Igbo people?
Yeah, they're not Igbo.
So why did you not add Igbo to your
I don't know. But our
the person will tell you to say you be Delta Igbo. Can you go and tell the person? Can you go and ask the person how?
I'm not ask anybody. All I know our some things people they talk. Like also I say Igbo they talk with the yeah.
But that will not mean say you can't.
I don't know. I'm not saying I'm Igbo.
Okay.
Yeah.
When you say that you are Delta Igbo, it means that you are not Igbo without mentioning that Delta there. Just say you are Igbo. If the person come, they ask you, you are Igbo from what state? You tell the person, you are Igbo from Delta State. There's nothing like, I'm Delta Igbo. Just say, I am Igbo. She said that she is Delta Igbo from Agbor. You will be surprised to know that she's not from Agbor Kingdom. Ika people outside the Ika land, when you ask them, where are you from? They will tell you Agbor. Instead of telling you that they are from Ika land, they will tell you that they are from Agbor. Some of them are from Umunede. Some of them are from Akomaze, Otolopo, Owa, Abavo, and so on. But instead of them to tell you that they are from Umunede, they are from Owa, they are from Abavo, and so on, they will tell you that they are from Agbor. And that is because Agbor is the most developed community in Ika land. In Ukwuani land, instead of an Ukwuani person to tell you that he is from Ukwuani, he will tell you that he is from Kwale. The community in Ukwuani land called Kwale is originally called Otabobe. So the community is also called Kwale. And Kwale is the most developed Ukwuani community. So instead of Ukwuani person to tell you say he come from Ogume, he come from Umutu, he come from Obiaroko, he go tell you say he is from Kwale. If you be Ogume person, they talk say you be from Kwale, you are automatically saying that you are not an Ogume person, that you are from that community called Kwale. Be proud of the name of your community. If you are from Ika, stop promoting Agbor, saying that you are from Agbor. You are not from Agbor, you are from Ika. If you are from Ukwuani land, stop promoting Kwale as the name of your own community. If you are from Ogume, say that you are from Ogume, but that you are an Ukwuani person. That boy that is interviewing that girl is from Bini. Now Bini boy him be. Look at the question that he asked the girl. He asked the girl, did she know that Agbor people are not Igbo people? The girl replied and said yes. She said that she knew that Agbor people are not Igbo people. You said that Agbor people are not Igbo people. Why are you now saying that you are Delta Igbo? This one should say that girl no get sense. She no get sense. And that boy when they interview her too, that boy get evil agenda. Bini person na Bini person. You go hardly see Bini person where go tell an Ika person say Ika people na Igbo people. Now you ask the girl, where is she from? She talk say she be Delta Igbo. You can see they tell her say, did she know that Agbor people are not Igbo people? He not even say, but some Agbor people are saying that they are not Igbo people. He just talk say, did you know that Agbor people are not Igbo people? Evil Bini people everywhere. If you don't know, they go say, I know we are Bini people now. The boy now ask her, why did you then add Igbo to your identity since you said that you are not Igbo? The girl replied saying she don't know. Person where they ask question, not get sense. The one where they ask, not get sense. But the girl not get sense. So they ask her, where are you from? She said she is Delta Igbo. Are you Igbo? She said no. Why did you not say that you are Igbo? She said she don't know. Hey, wo ndeka o ndeka mokwanke. Ha. Egwo ndeka egwo. O wife ani ndeka no ndeka. You say you are Delta Igbo. They can't ask you, are you Igbo? You said no. Ozwai. That girl Ozwai. She don't have sense. You wear wig, you not get sense. You only get wig. Buchi wantiti kukuge kunye yuche nisi. Isemba kiri wig. Imagine me saying, I am Delta Ukwuani. They can't ask me, are you an Ukwuani person? I can't say, no, I'm not an Ukwuani person. No. Wait till you think say, people wey get sense go call me. She said that if Agbor people speak, that our Igbo brothers in the southeast hears and understand, and that if our Igbo brothers in the southeast speak, that Agbor people hears and understand. If Agbor people are not Igbo people, how come the language that they are speaking is the same with the language of our Igbo brothers in the southeast? If Agbor people are Bini people, how come they stopped speaking Bini language and started speaking Igbo language? If Agbor people are Bini people, why is it that in the olden days, Agbor people and Bini people are fighting each other in a war? According to Bini history, the Oba of Bini beheaded the Obi of Agbor in the 17th century. This thing I just talk now say Oba Bini cut off the head of the Obi of Agbor in the 17th century. Now from Bini history book today, Bini people wrote it with their own hand. They wrote it in their own history book. Bini people said that the Obi of Agbor in the 17th century is rebelling against the Oba of Bini. And because of that, the Oba of Bini sent his warriors to go and capture the Obi of Agbor then. But as the Obi of Agbor come dey fight with them, Agbor and Bini come dey fight for war, then the Obi of Agbor was captured and they take cutlass cut off his head. If to say Agbor people and Bini people na one people, why did the Oba of Bini cut off the head of the Obi of Agbor in the 17th century? Some Agbor people don't know this story. Oh. They don't know. And you go see them and they talk, say, we are Agbor people, we are Bini people, we are not Igbo people, we are Bini people. You be Bini people. Bini people cut off the head of your Obi. If Agbor people hear this, and they go to say, na lie. He dey spread propaganda to cause enmity between Bini people and Agbor people. Look at it here now. Now Bini people write up now. This is from Bini history. If Agbor people are Bini people, why did the Oba of Bini cut off the head of the Obi of Agbor in the 17th century? The first king in Agbor kingdom is called Ogele. Ogele is an Igbo name. If you come to Ukwuani land, we pronounce Ogele as Ogene. And that word Ogene, they use it to refer to old people. In Ogume, my community, when they see elderly women, they greet them Nemo Gene. In Ikaland, the same thing. Ogene became the first king in Agbor kingdom. His title is Eze-Agbor, Eze of Agbor kingdom. This Agbor history that I'm telling you right now was written by A.E. Iduwe. A.E. Iduwe is from Agbor kingdom. That community where they call Agbor. Now there A.E. Iduwe from come. If to say Agbor not get any connection with Igbo for southeast, why it be say the first king of Agbor is called Eze? Which people refer to king as Eze in this country? Na Igbo people. Which people refer to king as Eze for Africa? Na Igbo people. Which people refer to king as Eze worldwide? Na Igbo people. Agbor people said that their founder is Ogele. He is their first king. If you go Agbor now, they ask their elderly men about that Ogele, whether na him born them, they go talk say yes, say Ogele na their first king. He ruled as Eze Agbor. Today, some Agbor people are saying that they are not Igbo people, they are not the Igbo people. Agbor speak Bia language. You don't want to identify with your Igbo brothers in the southeast. You don't want to identify with the Igbo family where you belong. Agbor people belongs to Bia family. Nigeria has Wazobia. Agbor people belong to Bia stock. And Bia people are called Igbo people. Even as some Agbor people say that they are not Igbo people, they are not Igbo people, the whole world is calling them Igbo. Who tell Nigeria army during Biafra war say Agbor people na Igbo people? Agbor people suffer so much during the Biafra war. If Nigeria army Igbo and the Agbor, Obu madu gwawa. Wa wole Igbo Igbo awasi awa aho. Nigeria army enter Agbor, see say na Igbo that they speak, they say ka Igbo alo awa ho, they carry guns, scatter them. Ukwuani land, they carry guns, scatter them. Oshime and Anioma, they carry guns, scatter them. Even as our people they shout, we be one Nigeria, oh, one Nigeria, we be Nigeria, oh, we be Nigeria. Nigeria army still open fire, carry bullets, scatter them. They were killed because they are Igbo people. After the girl said that, when Agbor people speak, our Igbo brothers in the south is here, and when our Igbo brothers in the south speak, Agbor people here. The boy now asked her, but that does not mean that Agbor people are Igbo people. The girl said yes. She said yes, that does not make Agbor people Igbo people. This is to tell you that Bini boy have an agenda. All in videos now, so they go interview people. Where are you from? Where are you from? If you interview anyone where tell and say you come from Ukwuani, you go tell the person, but Ukwuani people are not Igbo people. If you interview the one where tell say you come from Ika, you go tell the person, but Ika people are not Igbo people. Even Bini people everywhere. If somebody else saw what from the last and what Bundi will who be no Abakawa. The girl don't say she be Delta Igbo. That one not do you. You begin to ask her, Agbor people are not Igbo people. She mumu say yes because she don't know what she they talk. Her parents told her that Agbor people are not Igbo people. Now what her parents tell her, now she take they grow. It's not easy for a child to grow. Can't tell her parents say, Daddy, mommy, that thing where una tell me 10 years ago na lie you. As a child where don't grow mature, show your parents proof and fact say this thing where they teach you before say na wrong information. Show them facts, show them evidence, and make them know that what they told you is wrong. That is how to prove that you are now a matured person. Your parents told you that their own ancestor fell from the sky in the 15th century. You believe. The name of your founder is Chime. Your parents tell you say Chime na Bini person. Say Chime leave Bini land, come our present location, and because of that, we are not Igbo people, we are Bini people. Is Chime a Bini name? Your parents go say yes, Chime is a Bini name. You believe am. You grow, begin tell people say Chime is a Bini name. Say Chime is not an Igbo name. Say Chime is a Bini prince. Chime is a Bini man. Even as you don't mature, you not fit use your brain, ask yourself question. Make research. Is Chime a Bini name? No. What are the reasons that made Chime to run away from Bini to his present location? Why are the descendants of Chime not speaking Bini language? The people that bear Chime in this country are only Igbo people. Now this question you're supposed to ask yourself, you make your own research and prove your parents wrong. No, some children not get that time. Their owner, their parents don't tell them. They carry them, they propagate. If a parent continue to lie they give their children will take that lie grow. And they go to tell the world, say, that thing where the parents they tell them na truth. This Bini boy, in case if you see this video, make him know say, we know what him they do. We know say na so in content go be so. He should keep going about telling Ika people that Ika is not Igbo. Ukwuani is not Igbo. Oshimiri and Anioma is not Igbo. This guy from Ika don't have sense. Where are you from? I am Delta Igbo. Where in Delta Igbo? I'm from Agbor. Is Agbor Igbo? No. Fear. Omanga kwaluke. Ishegwale.